If you want to add fingerprint on POCO F7, first of all we need to go to settings. Now in settings we're gonna scroll down in order to find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. Before we move on to fingerprint unlock, you need to know that we need to have screen lock enabled. So you have to have screen lock password before you can set up fingerprint unlock. Once you do that, we can go to fingerprint unlock, wait a couple of seconds, enter your screen lock password, proceed by pressing next. Over here we have screen protector tip. That of course informs us that if you have a screen protector that it may interfere with the recognition of the fingerprint. Over here we have our scanner, so we need to touch it with our finger and then lift it up after vibration. And we need to keep touching and lifting our finger a couple of times until this icon in the middle is filled with the color. Ideally you want to touch with your finger from every angle possible, pretty much. So that in the future you won't have any issues with unlocking the device. So try to place it in different ways, touch it with different angles, and there we go. Once you are done, we can press done, and we have fingerprint unlock settings that you can go through in order to customize it. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.